What's up, YouTube? Old Random here checking in. Y'all didn't know we had to blow the turbo up so we could get what we really wanted. And number those 6.2. So today's video, we keeping it Chevy. I'm gonna show y'all what we got in this box right here. See how that's gonna work out for us. If you're new to the channel, baby, comment, like, share, subscribe. Y'all know what they're hitting for. Yes, loud. Let's see what we got here, gang. Let's see what we got here, baby. Y'all don't like them edited videos, man. You want no random to show and talk the whole time. That's what you want me to do. Y'all want me to show the process, huh? Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got in this box here, gang. Throw my glove on right quick. I'm about to show y'all right now. Oh, looking good, looking like money, baby. Looking like money, baby. Oh yeah. I don't know what these is. These here look like them Hollies, huh? These here look like the Hollywood. Hollywood. Oh yeah. We about to get them installed. Let me go grab a gasket right quick. Give me 1 minute. Let me see. Matter of fact, I can take y'all in there with me. Show y'all what we working on. Bring y'all into the shop. You hear me? Bring y'all into the shop. Let's see what we got a head gasket at. Where we got a head gasket at? Just seen one somewhere. We got a head gasket at, gang. Huh? Well, around them and put the head gaskets, y'all. I know I got one somewhere around here. Here go one right here. There's one right here. We need another one too. Oh, here you go right there. There she go. So, all I do is use gaskets. Oh. Can't show y'all all that. I got one for sale real soon. And he gonna be on the road real soon too. Y'all see, I got everything right here. Oh, this shit for sale too. Turbo 400, Server D converter. We gotta throw it into something called Little Sunshine. Huh? Y'all see what we're in for. Back on about that thing. We about to see what the headers talking about. See what the headers looking like, gang. Let's see what these headers looking like, baby. Let's see. Alright, y'all see? Y'all see it right there? Alright. Let's see what gasket we need when we putting these gaskets on. Let me see, you can tell this here was it said manifold side. So that's what the manifold side, and you see it say down. So we're gonna go with this one on this here side. Let me grab that manifold and a couple bolts. Got me a little stepping stool. Random got a little stepping stool. All right, we got 2 little bolts. I'm gonna put a little Loctite on there. We gonna ride it like that. That's how we gonna do that, gang. That's how we gonna do that. These here gaskets they don't look too bad. I was running them before. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead on and slip my header down there. Get my header in place, gang. Let me see what's going on here. That bracket messing me up. Y'all get in the comments box and let me know if the type of video the people be want to see. You want to see a random fight? They say, man, random ain't doing that work by himself. You see somebody was helping random. He cut that part out the videos. You see, I ain't doing all this fabrication work by myself. He said I ain't doing that, so we gonna use these here used gaskets, same ones I got out the junkyard, and we gonna try. We gonna try to get this in there. You hear me? So I got me a little Loctite. I'm a little Loctite. Just gonna put a little dab on there. I ain't trying to do too much. Manifold side down. Manifold side down. Come on, baby. Get right for daddy. Sometimes y'all gotta talk through your stuff. You gonna learn. You gonna learn the hard way. You gonna learn the hard way. Look. We're gonna throw our head up there. What the head up do, baby? Yeah. Yeah, she look good to me. She look good to me. I should have brought a little ratchet out here. Come on. Let's go grab a ratchet. Come on. Oh, where my tools at? Gotta have a ratchet too. Y'all let me know if this the type of video y'all want to see random do, or y'all don't want to see random do no videos. You let me know. Get in that comment box. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see or random do. Or you don't want to see me do nothing. Just let me know, baby. Right, if you're going to try this 10, I think this one here might have been acting a little funny. Let me see. He look like he working all right. Look like he working all right. Close the little door. Be painting that truck too soon. Gotta get my baby right here. Get my baby right. So I'm just gonna lock him on. Lock that little one screw down. I probably should have grabbed a ratchet. A wrench. They don't make too many headers for these cars that work. I know a few people running them the Black Hearts. See this thing? It started tripping. The Black Heart, but actually, to be real with you, this is the Black Hearts. It's the baby Black Heart. It's the shortest. They got the long ones and they got the short ones. This is the long ones. I mean the short ones. And I put a pair on my partner car, and it was on. They actually were like $500. It was $500. So these here, y'all won't know. They were just I think they came to like 170. I think like 174. Something like that. I'm gonna go grab another socket. Give me 1 minute. Oh, y'all won't come. Y'all come on. Come on. Come on. We got to talk to the people, man. People don't want to see us do no more editing. This is what they want to see. They want to see us working, not talking. There's a nice little tension right there. Tension. They want to see us. They want to see us. They want to see the work. The people want to see the job get done. You hear me? So we gotta get the people. We gonna get the job done. So let me go ahead on and stick my little socket on there. I'm gonna hit these both right there. And it's a little work. I need to take oh man. I need to probably take this little bracket off. I'm gonna just lock it down with this wrench. It's much quick anyway. So it is just like the Harley headers. It's just like them. Like I said, I put a set on the Impala, which we gonna be getting back on that real soon. pallet real soon. I ordered the wire harness from Current Performance. And I think they say 12 to, what they say, 6 to 8 weeks, I believe. So we gotta wait on him. I ain't gotta lock it down. Y'all see she fit real nice. Oh yeah, she fit real healthy. I like that. Plenty of room. Plenty of room, y'all can see it. Plenty of room. So I'm gonna throw that other one on and check out that side. If the driver's side work with the steering shaft and all this right here, you know the passenger side gonna work. So I'm looking for two injectors for the Trailblazer SS intake. Anybody got two? Holla at me. You got three? I'll take three. But I could work with just two. I could do something with that. So we got that side in. That look real good, huh, y'all? That look real good. Clearing real good. So now we gonna go ahead on and move over to this here passenger side over here. Move right along. This here passenger side, and try to see what's up with him, Jim. Move this box right there, right quick. Move this box over. I got my two bolts, them same two bolts, just to get them started, lock them down. It came with this kit didn't come with no gasket, none, and it came with these here two flanges. See these two flanges? It came with these to go on that back side, and y'all see the gasket there. Actually, this is where our pipe go. Okay, we got something to help us out now. I see that. So that's what's up. So they came with these. They came with some bolts and stuff, but I'm just using the original bolts. Original bolts, original gasket. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong when it's factory, baby. You can't go wrong when it's factory. So I got my header right here. Y'all can see it. It looks pretty good, huh? Y'all like that, huh? Let me grab my little stool so we could get him installed, Jim. Get him installed, Jim. Go ahead on and knock him off right quick. You know? Might as well, huh? I'm angle my camera down a little bit so y'all can get up in there with me. I'm sorry, gang. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all see we got using them good old slider mounts. Y'all see. Good slider mounts. So, got all the gasket right there. I'm going to take my dipstick out of here. Muscle car oil pan. You know, same thing we was using before. Ain't nothing special. It said if it work, it don't break it. So, down, you see, down, you're going down. I'm gonna go ahead on and start me some dope. Get that dope cooking up, baby. Put the little dope on there. On the thread, that's just to lock them down. Make sure be patient with us and don't go nowhere. Okay, you see down. So down, right there. Down, why you looking like that? Hold up. Down. Side to manifold. Okay, I'm tripping. Side to manifold. Bam. We going like that, Jim. Hold up, Jim. Gotta wipe him off, baby. Gotta give him a little wiper wipe. And we don't want to put him on like that, huh, gang? Side to manifold. Bam. Right. We'll get this here first one started. Get that first one started. Hold up, Mr. Norrie. Norrie trying to go somewhere on me. And once you get that one started, that's his ass, gang. That's his ass down. Put a little grass on there. A little bit of that pipe dope. And that, I'm saying pipe dope, but it's really Loctite. Loctite, gang. We want these here. Loctite. All right. Go ahead on and lock him down. Y'all get in the comment box. Let me know, like, if y'all like this style videos to where you're talking and working the whole time and you're getting a 100% real picture, no editing, none of that. Y'all let me know. Y'all who I'm doing it for. I need to get back into it. Start being a little bit more consistent. You know, that's how we get things done around here. By being consistent. But sometimes all that recording take away from what you need to do, because you know it'd be a process too, but something like this I can work with. Like the junkyard video was like a record, but when I gotta really get it in, you gotta put that camera down and get the job done. You feel me? So we just gonna roll with it. And let me know what you think. This ain't nothing but a 4.8 with some 706 heads. So it ain't nothing special. You ain't gotta be scared. See me at the light. Go ahead on and smash off on me. Because I'm not about to chase you. And if I tried to, I wouldn't be able to catch you. Alright? Now we got him installed, Jim. What y'all think? What y'all think, gang? Hold up. Let me take y'all off the stand. Let's see what we looking like, baby. Ooh. Clearance. Clearance. So he above the frame. He above the frame for sure. Y'all see the beast, baby. She about to come alive. Y'all see the beast. She about to come alive. She about to come alive, gang. Y'all see. Y'all wanna look underneath, see what it look like under there? Huh? See, I ain't gotta buy all that highly expensive shit, you know? Cause I'm a fabricator. Y'all stay tuned, man. Muscle car Aeropan. Energy suspension. Real suspension. I'ma holler at you, you hear me? Monte Carlo SS. Mr. Random. Subscribe to the channel. Y'all know what they're hitting for. Big 102. Big mouth Billy Bag. You hear me? Big mouth. Boom. Let's get it, baby. And you know we gonna keep it. Chevy.